Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul.
Oh, dude.
Ow.
Oh my god, you were fucking.
You are flush. Oh man.
How do you have a bumper still, bud? Dude, I can't even stick my fucking.
My brother drives a manual. He has a 2006 40,000 miles on it.
You are literally scraping on everything. What up?
What's up, man?
So,
Who's this?
this is Jaden, this is Andrew, Nate, and Bailey.
I'm Andy, dude. Do it again.
Swear to God.
That's fucking clear coat protection. Oh shit.
One and only Juan.
Want some of my nuts, dude?
Dude, I love some nuts.
Take my nuts, dude.
Awesome. I love you. Favorite NvUS member, tied with his brother though. The Gerard's RSX, I love it.
Oh my god! Hey, it's called sneak attack, bitch. My keys! What a fucking Pavel is. Pavel?
Wow. TPD at its finest. They look so good. We're at Taco Bell. Except I told this man, slow down, because look at this. Yeah, it was further than that too when we were driving. That's how fast we were going. So we're gonna throw a zip tie in there, fix that, and we're gonna get some food.
Call me Ryan with my back bumper.
Yeah, boy. See, it's so much slower than I am. It's not funny. Alright, so the SI seat is right there. It should almost be done being able to put it back in the car. It's raining pretty easy, not gonna lie. Thought it was gonna rain a lot more when we got here, but thank you again, Juan, for everything. But now it's time to let it cool and put it back in the car while he's doing homework. Also got a new air freshener while we were at the car wash last night, washing our cars for the meats. So, smells good in here. Alright, so the SI seats are in. Both of them are in. They look amazing. They feel even better. His car's looking amazing, as always. Windows are so tinted you can barely see, but his harness bar is in there, looking good. Got some non-copyright music playing in my car, so in case the microphone on the dash cam decides to work. But, yeah. Just got back from Juan's. We're at the gas station known as Roadrunner Market. We're gonna finish our drive home. Hopefully Houghton isn't too wet and flooded, because that would that would kind of suck. So we're gonna drive home, chill at Barry's for a little bit, and see if my dad responds if I can stay the night or not.
Life in the fast lane, high off of